year is it's a conference, it's an unconference, it's a hack day, it's a mashup, it's a bar camp, it's all of those things kind of rolled into one. So we take the best aspects of events that happen all over the world and roll it all into one. But most of all, it's an opportunity to get as many cool people into a single space as possible and say, do cool stuff.
What sort of projects have people got going on?
We've seen, for instance, some interesting machine-to-machine or Internet of Things type projects.
This is just a normal light. That's an old stand. And inside here we've got another embed. And this is just a really cheap dongle for your PC. And we've got some software on here. So this is a connected machine really. So you can tell it to do things. So the one we do is I'm going to send it a text message. So I'm going to say red to the light. And then the text message will send to the light, and then the light will go red. There you go. Set it to green, and then the text message gets to the light and it goes green there.
I've seen a few radio-controlled or robot-controlled cars.
We are controlling a remote control car using the GPS on a phone, so that we'll stick the phone on the car and
car reports where it is through the phone, and the kind of quite server-like thing will go, we thought you were going over there and you're now here, so we're going to send you, we're going to make you run for a little bit and steer you a bit and then have another look and see where you are and repeat the process. Hopefully that means that in a very cack-handed way, eventually the car will end up in the right place.
Green hacks has always been a theme, and I think we're going to see some of those.
I have been cycling around the stinky parts of Bletchley, testing our air quality meter, which is mounted on our bicycle. So we have here a Bluetooth air quality sensor. The Bluetooth then transmits to our mobile app, mounted on our handlebars here, which then submits the geolocation and the sensor reading up to the cloud, and then it can pull it back onto a heat map showing where the areas of pollution are, and you can take evasive action if you want to cycle a nicer way.
And so this whole event this weekend is being hosted at Bletchley Park with its rich history and coding and computer programming. It's the ideal place.
Bletchley's ideal, isn't it? If you think about the concept of putting enough intelligent, cool people into one space, and you will get amazing, cool things out of it. It's exactly what Bletchley Park was. It's absolutely perfect.
It's awesome that you're actually doing it here, and then tenting outside as well. You're camping and techie at the same time. It's a win-win situation.
It's the hack thing, it's just fun and it's very sociable. I mean, we thought about strapping one of the ancient computers from the museum here onto the back of the car for about a nanosecond, or maybe using one of its keyboards when someone didn't have a keyboard last night. But clearly it's really just the sort of resonance. It's the fun of the fact that you're kind of in the shadow of really world-changing thinking, which is exciting.